Hello guys, I want you to show how the trunk light, which you may find here at the Honda Silver Wing 400, you may notice there's a light in trunk. Now this light was made and installed by me. This is a LED light, and this red black wire goes right here, and it was moved under the dark plastic, the black, and of course this left side was disassembled and it was connected from the left side exactly to the trunk light. Now of course I can switch it off, and as you can see the LED is also switched off. Now I put it back and you may notice that this light is on. So it took me about 1 hour. It's very simple, you can buy it on eBay about $3-4. So there's nothing much to do, just do it by yourself. I hope this will help you. See you guys.